Hello gorgeous people, hope you are doing good. My name is Amruta and in today's video I'll be showing you my DIY project IKEA hack and the makeover. I have divided the video in two parts. In first part I'll be showing you the office desk that I made out of slats plus the IKEA hack and easy tips and tricks to make that office desk. In second part I'll be showing you the makeover I did of my storeroom into office room plus the cost of the makeover and the setting up of the office. But before starting, if you are new to my channel, it's good to see you. Don't forget to click on subscribe button so you don't miss out on the latest video, and also follow me on Instagram. This is part 1, how I made a tabletop out of IKEA Tarva bed frame slats. If you don't have this specific slats, you can use any existing old bed frame slats. This is my plan and I wanted walls on my tabletop or desk. These are total 17 slats I have used, including the 4 slats for the walls. I'll be cutting down the corner piece, extra slat that means. So now let's start. This is the first step. You have to remove the staples from the slats. Please be careful while doing this. Also make sure the tip of the screwdriver should be towards outside, not inside. If it's inside, it might damage the wood. This is the most important step, that is marking the slats. Please give them proper numbers so that there is no confusion while doing the project. I wanted to work with dowels, so I did my project through dowel system. If you want more easy and quick procedure to do your project, then directly go to my second section, that is easy tips and tricks to make it. I am making horizontal joinery for my tabletop. I took number 0 and number 1 slat to make a joinery. As you can see, with the help of a dowel jig, it's very easy to do this job as the measurements of where to drill the hole is fixed. I followed the same procedure on the other side of the slats. For horizontal joinery, I will be drilling 2 holes on each slat. I did this same procedure on all other slats till number 13. It's time to test it, and it worked very nicely. I really love this dowel jig. It actually made my work very easy. This is a closer view how I aligned the dowels and the slat. Now it's time to hammer the slats. I'll be checking whether it is aligned or not. Oops. I will be now making walls, so I took number 17 slat and number 0 slat for the same. I will be doing marking with the help of jig. Now I will be drilling the hole wherever I have done the marking so that my dowels get inside very smoothly. It will look somewhat like this. Now the most satisfying part, to put the dowels inside the wood. I just love this step. It's time to make that big wall, and at the same time I have to make sure that I drill holes so that it joins the tabletop too. Now it's time to make a joinery for the walls. Now I will be joining my two pieces of a wall. You can avoid this step and directly start joining it to tabletop. I am drilling the holes on the wall piece. This will help to join the tabletop. I then cut the little bit extra portion of that wall piece. Now it's time to glue the slats and keep it overnight. This is how it looks after gluing up, and this is my final project. I have sanded little bit of dowels which were coming outside, and I have also put the wood filler to cover the dowels. For safer side and additional support, I have screwed two slats at the bottom. If you don't want to follow the dowel system, no worries, you can follow this procedure. Instead, use this kind of brackets. This kind of brackets are easily available in your local hardware shop. Place them at the bottom side of tabletop to make a joinery of two slats. For making walls to join your tabletop, you can use L-shaped brackets which are easily available in your local hardware shop. If this kind of brackets are not available in your area, You can use the slats to make that kind of joinery. Put the slats at the bottom and screw them up. This is my favorite part, IKEA Hack Lerberg shelf unit. I use this unit as a table legs. I bought this unit because it has shelves and plus it's in my budget. I did the leveling and bubble was little tilted to right side. But that's okay, this much slant is alright to hold a table. I use these glue dots used for balloon decoration to attach the table top to the unit, shelving unit. As you can see, the tabletop got fixed perfectly on the shelving unit. To get a better look and a flat surface, I added 5 mm glass to it. I prefer the design of half glass and half raw surface, but if you want, you can add full glass to it. If you want an extra compartment, you can fix the glass on the vertical slats. I prefer this way because this is the ideal height of an office table and also suitable for my husband. Soon I will be posting the another part of the video. This is very easy project. I hope you do this project at home. Thank you for watching this video.